prophecy. Stress in the city, the cops is hopping me. The project is full of bullets, no bodies is dropping. There ain't no stopping me. Constantly moving while making millions. Witnessing killings, leaving dead bodies in abandoned buildings. Carries the children cause they're illin'. Addicted to killing and the appeal from the cap pillin'. Without feeling, but will they last? So be blasted, hard-headed bastard. Maybe you'll listen in this casket, the aftermath. More bodies being buried. I'm losing my homies in a hurry. They relocating to the cemetery. Got me worried, stressing my business worried. The question is, will I live? No one in the world love me. I'm headed for danger. Don't trust strangers for running the chamber whenever I'm feeling this anger. Don't wanna make excuses, cause this is how it is. What's the use unless we're shooting? No one notices the youth. It's just me against the world.
Can't stop, gotta eat, stepping on my feet, spread love, think it sweet, or you cash don't know. Can't stop, gotta eat, stepping on my feet, spread love, think it sweet, or you cash don't know. I never figured this nigga up with the shit that he pull. What is as strange as the change some niggas go through when they lock down and really can't hack it. Motherfucker like me handles a bit like a jack. Strap it on my back, but niggas ain't built like me. And by the end, niggas was like, yo, why you kill Mike D? Wasn't me, but yeah, he had it coming to him. Used to be my dog, so I let my cousin do it. Sent him out of state with like a half a brick down to my spot in VA, cause the money comes quick. Half of that got fucked up before I even got to checking on him. Mistakes happen, so I really wasn't reckoning on him. Got him up out of there, sent him down a little further. Ain't heard from him in 2 months. Murder, helped on the next fight, thinking I might have to steal something. This hungry shit'll make a nigga wanna kill something. Can't stop, gotta eat, stepping on my feet, spread love, think it sweet, or you catch don't know.
Multiple gunshots clear the block, the fun stops. Niggas just calling cops, people shot, nobody stops. I wonder when the world stopped caring. Last night you get shot while the whole block stem. I will never understand this society. But they try to murder me, then they lie to me. Product of a Don breed, all my homies try weed. Now the little baby's crazy, right off in the sea. Tell me when my enemies flee when they see me. If it does, gotta learn to take it easy. Listen, through the intermission, stretch a heart for a plan. We turn it bad boys to grown men. It's on again, I give a holler to my niggas in the darkest corners. Roll a perfect blunt and let me spark it for you. One love from a thug nigga, rolling with a posse full of paranoid drug dealers. To the end, my friend, I'm seeing nothing but my dreams coming true while I'm staring at the world through my rear view.
Can't stop, gotta eat, stepping on my feet, spread love, think it sweet, or you cats don't know. Can't stop, gotta eat, stepping on my feet, spread love, think it sweet, or you cats don't know. Can't stop, gotta eat, stepping on my feet, spread love, think it sweet, or you cats don't know. Can't stop, gotta eat, stepping on my feet, spread love, think it sweet, or you cats don't know. Can't stop, gotta eat, stepping on my feet, spread love, think it sweet, or you cats don't know. Can't stop, gotta eat, stepping on my feet, spread love, think it sweet, or you cats don't know.
Flundi heni orvidi gal an veriasid Pride of line ranun Munagri Godel Vigoduni
Menace and methods label me a lethal weapon, making niggas die, witnessing breathless imperfections. Can you picture my specific plan? To be the man in this wicked land, underhanded hits a plan. Scams are plotted over grams of rocks. Undercover agents die by the random shots. We all die in the end, so revenge we swole. I was all about my ends, fuck friends and foes. Me, a born leader, never lead a block without my heater. Got me a dog and named him my bitch nigga eater. What could they do to me, a little brat? Shit, them niggas that shot me is still terrified I'll get their ass. How can I show you how I feel inside? We outlaws, motherfuckers can't kill my pride. Niggas talk a lot of shit, but that's after I'm gone, cause they fear me in the physical form. Let them be known, I'm troublesome.
Flundi, heni, orbidi, gal angueriosin. Oblain ranun, miunagui, bodel vigodun.
Legendary live eternally. Fuck you niggas and that bullshit you going through, we outlaws. Legendary live eternally. Bitch made niggas and that bullshit you going through, outlaws. Legendary live eternally. Bury me in pieces cause they fit. Reincarnation niggas screaming peace cause they fit. When my squad face them, take them to places, face to face, then erase them and break them. Murder motherfuckers, legendary live eternally. Gutter ways, my mentality is ghetto. A gorilla in this criminal war. We all rebels, death before dishonor. Bet I bomb on them first. Niggas knew we came from murder, pulling up in a hearse. West side was the war cry, busting off frilly, screaming fuck all y'all niggas in Swahili. Pistol packing fresh out of jail. I ain't going back, release me to the care of my heartless strap. Say my name 3 times like Candyman. Bet I roll on your ass like an avalanche. So survivor, learn to get high and pull drive-bys. Murder my foes, can't control my nine. Hearing thoughts of my enemies pleading, please. Bust ass motherfuckers tried to flee. Picture me letting this chump survive. Ran up on his ass when I dumped him, die, cause I'm troublesome.
Flundi, heni, orbidi, gal angueriosin. Oblain ranun, miunagui, bodel vigodun.
Legendary live eternally. Fuck you niggas and that bullshit you going through, we outlaws. Legendary live eternally. Bitch made niggas and that bullshit you going through, outlaws. Legendary live eternally. Bury me in pieces cause they fit. Reincarnation niggas screaming peace cause they fit. When my squad face them, take them to places, face to face, then erase them and break them. Murder motherfuckers, legendary live eternally. Murder, murder, my mind state shit ain't changed since my last rhyme. The crime rate ain't declined. Niggas busting shots like they lost their mind. Like 25 to life never crossed their mind. Tell me young nigga never learned a thing. Dead at 13 cause he yearned to bang. Sent a lot of flowers but how could I cry? Tried to warn a little nigga either stop or die. Mercy is for the weak, when I speak I scream. Afraid to sleep, I'm having crazy dreams. Vivid pictures of my enemies, family times. God forgive me cause it's wrong but I plan to die. Either take me in heaven and understand I was a G. Did the best I could, raised in insanity. Or send me to hell cause I ain't begging for my life. Ain't nothing worse than this cursed ass hopeless life. I'm troublesome.
Flundi, heni, orbidi, gal angueriosin.
Legendary live eternally.
Oblain ranun, miunagui, bodel vigodun.
Legendary live eternally. Fuck you niggas and that bullshit you going through, we outlaws. Legendary live eternally. Bitch made niggas and that bullshit you going through, outlaws. Legendary live eternally. Bury me in pieces cause they fit. Reincarnation niggas screaming peace cause they fit. When my squad face them, take them to places, face to face, then erase them and break them. Murder motherfuckers, legendary live eternally. Legendary live eternally. Legendary live eternally. First off, fuck your bitch and the clique you claim. West side, when we ride, come equipped with game. You claim to be a player, but I fucked your wife. We bust on bad boys, niggas fuck for life. Plus, hope you tryna see me weak, hearts I rip. Biggie Smalls and Junior Mafia, some mark ass bitches. We keep on coming while we running for your Jews. Steady gunning, keep on busting at them fools. You know the rules. Little Caesar, go ask your homie how I leave you. Cut your young ass up, leave you in pieces. Now be deceased. Little Kim, don't fuck around with real G's. Quick to snatch your ugly ass off the streets. So fuck peace. I let them niggas know it's on on for life. Don't let the west side ride the night. Bad boy murdered on wax and kill. Fuck with me and get your cat's peeled. Grab your blocks when you see Tupac. Call the cops when you see Tupac. Who shot me but your punch didn't finish. Now you're about to feel the wrath of a menace. Nigga, I hit him up. Grab your blocks when you see Tupac. Call the cops when you see Tupac. Who shot me but your punch didn't finish. Now you're about to feel the wrath of a menace. Nigga, I hit him up. Keep it real, it's penitentiary steel. This ain't no freestyle battle. All you niggas getting killed with your mouths open. Trying to come up off of me, you in the clouds open. Smoking dope, it's like a Sherman. Niggas think they learn to fly, but they burn, motherfucker, you deserve to die. Talking about you getting money, but it's funny to me. All you niggas living for me while you fucking with me. I'm a self-made millionaire, thug living out of prison, pistols in the air. Biggie, remember when I used to let you sleep on the couch and beg a bitch to let you sleep in the house? Now it's all about Versace. You copy my style. 5 shots couldn't drop me. I took it and smiled. Now I'm back to set the record straight. With my AK, I'm still the thug that you love to hate. Thug that you love to hate. Thug that you love to hate. Grab your blocks when you see.
Dobra, podsumowanie wymiany wahaczy. Tył, przód, tylni i przedni. To co te luzy były, to jest chyba nawet ten. No, słychać. Tak zamalcuję. Nic nie trzyma. W tym drugim to niestety trzeba było obciąć, więc ciężko też stwierdzić, czy jak on chodził. Gumy, nieważne. Tuleje też już w sumie i tak do wymiany, te wymiany były wybite. To też niestety trzeba było chlasnąć, się nie chciał odkręcić. Tuleje gumowe też w takim nie gorszym stanie, ale ten też stworzeń. Ten jeszcze jak też już powoli dawał się we znaki. Dobra, podliczając koszty, czy byśmy to robili u mechanika, czy sami, kosztów części nie będziemy tutaj podliczać. No to wiadomo, ląduje wszystko nowe. Jakie sobie kupimy, takie będziemy mieli. Koszt roboty, powiem wam, ciężko określić, nawet się nie orientowałem, ile to by mogło kosztować. Na pewno za 5 dych niby się ze śrubami, z tym zawieszeniem nie męczył. Myślę, że jakby to były koszty policzyć w ramach powiedzmy 100-150 zł za wymianę tych 4 wahaczy, to robiąc to samemu tyle mamy w kieszeni. Przy wymianie tych wahaczy, z tyłu oczywiście geometria obowiązkowo do regulacji. Tak czy siak tych kosztów już nie przeskoczymy. No i tak, za tą naszą pracę co moglibyśmy zyskać? Na bok. Myślę o fajny pomarańczowy ból. Taką oto skrzyneczkę. Czerwona, zielona, niebieska, nie ma znaczenia. Zawartość. Taki o zestawik. Zestaw torksów, imbusów. Imbusy różne rozmiary od 4 do 12. Torksy 6 i 12 kątne, także tym już naprawdę krótkie, długie, zależy od podejścia. I myślę, że takim zestawikiem już też możemy sporo zdziałać, wiele razy nam się przyda. Tak więc co? Mamy kolejny